So today I'll be sharing a quick Dollar Tree haul with you guys. So if you're interested in seeing that, please do stick around. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. So let's jump into that haul. So first off, let me show you these cute little Christmas people that I picked up, okay? And let's start with the snowman. I think I showed it in like a short that I did. And these here was in the dollar plus section. Look at this cute little snowman. So they stand up, and they stand up is 24 inches high. They call them standing character, and this was for this was for $5. Okay, so he has his little banner. You could see his little shoes right there, and they don't bend or anything like that. And whether they have sticks or hair, they're very sturdy. And this one is, I think they made so well. Look at his scarf, his little blue and white scarf, and his little buttons down here, his little nose, and his little felt hat. And then you have the what you call these things, the little holly berries and the leaves. And these, I was surprised when I saw them in my store, because I forgot what I went in there for, and I saw these and I said, do I need these? And you guys won't believe, I went there today to pick up some stuff to fill in my grandkids' boo basket, and every single one of them are gone, all gone. So I'm glad I picked the ones up when I did. Then my one of my favorites is this little Gingy right here. Oh, isn't he cute? I think you could, even if you don't like his little bow tie and his little apron, you could always change that out. This is made out of felt. And his little eyes are like little beads. So, and then you get some crafty ideas if you're into crafting. And I think these here are made very well. Like I said, they are like $5. All right, $5. You have the little ribbon around here. What you call this ribbon here? So he has the little ribbon here around the little trimmings. So he have little trimmings around the hands, around the head, and around the feet. And I think these here are so well made. You can't stick anything in the pocket though, because it's all glued up. But so cute. And his little chef hat is on. And then also what I got was an elf. And look at him, and he is so colorful. This is really a nice one. I just love the colors, the red and the green and white on him, and his little yellow hair. He is so cute, and he has some little jingle bells on. And look at his little buttons holding up his little suspenders, and then his shoes. And like I said, these here are, let's see again, these are 24-inch in height, 61 centimeters, $5. So if you see them at your Dollar Tree store, go ahead and grab them up, because it's just a handful that they'd had, and it's going to be gone. So I'm glad I picked up like the 3 of those. I was undecided. I was just going to get the gingerbread guy, but I went ahead and picked that up.
Oh my, look what they have here, gingerbread guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, let's see how much these are for. Only $5, guys. I don't think, I was seeing if they get shorter, but those are cute. Let's see, they have a little elf to the back. Oh, they have a gnome. Let's see if I take this one out of the way. And they have a little elf for $5. Aren't those cute? I'm sure they won't last long at all. And then they have the snowman, and he's holding a little banner that says Merry. Oh my goodness.
Then I went to another store. And then they had these little iridescent white Christmas trees. And these here were in the $5, the plus section. And these light up. And this one is 14 by 24 inches in height. You know, and they have the little weight down here. You could stand it up. So you just have to spread it out. It's battery operated. This little thing right here, you add your 2 batteries in here. And they look like double. It probably would hold 2 AA batteries, if I'm not mistaken. 2 AA batteries. But I thought, and then they had a green one that didn't look too good. It didn't look really nice. I didn't really like the green one. But this one is white. It goes with anything. Then they had some yarn, and I just love to see the yarn. Look at this beautiful yarn. This is like in, let me try to stay in frame. This is like in a burgundy color. Yeah, and look, I just picked up 2 of those. Those are so cute. And you could, you know, you could do different crafts. Then you could make dangles, add little frills to your projects. Isn't that beautiful? So I got a couple colors. So I got these. I had picked up some in this color before. This is like almost like a off-white. I picked up 2 of those. I think I have this color already, but I just love that color. It's like more of a creamish color. Then also they had this color here, guys. You know what this reminds you of? This color when you see it, gingerbread, right? So I picked up 2 of those. And also, when I also like to look in their fabric section, because they sometimes have some unique pieces, and they had these velvet fabrics, and these fabrics they are 12 inches by 20 inches, and this is like green. If you could see it, is like a velvety material. And then it had it in this red too as well. Isn't this nice for the holidays? And those were the only 2 pieces that they had, those 2 colors there. And then they had, this is a kind of velvety, like more of a fur, you know, I guess, not more velvet. And this one here is gray. This one here is 18 by 20. How much was the others? 12 by 20. So this one here is 18 by 20 inches. So I picked that up. I don't know if you could see the kind of texture is on there. And then also they had these plush, this was in the plus section, holiday pillows. They had this in the red, and they had a different design with a green, and they had like some ornaments on that one. But I really did like this one, and I like the green. And then to the back of it is white, so you could really have 2-sided. I just wanted to see the shape. And then you could even add pom-poms on here for some ornaments. Like if you wanted to make like more of a gingerbread style, you could add like some brown pom-poms to it. I mean, you could get creative and add some stuff and decorate on that side. So I really do like this. This feels so nice and soft. And for $5, that was not bad at all. Then they had out their gift wrapping paper, and I love the design on this right here. So I went ahead and picked me up one of those. I don't think they have many of these, so I went ahead and picked me up one of those. And then also what I came across was some resin. I saw that they had resin mold. I picked up a resin mold earlier, a few months back, and it was a mold of doggy paw, but I never did find the resin. So when you see these things, I guess you have to pick it up because they go so fast. So I wanted to play around and try the epoxy resin, and this, I guess you have to have the A and the B. So I was lucky enough to get the A and the B, so I'll be able to try that out and see how that works. What else did I get? Also at the Dollar Tree, their vinyls, they had 2 for $1. So I'm not sure if they're not selling, why it's down that price, but 50 cents is not bad. So if you have your machine that cuts vinyl and you need to practice, I don't know if you use Dollar Tree vinyl before, and if you're interested in getting, but these here are good buy. See, for the holidays, I got like this green, and then they also had like a red, and also your basic color is black, and then this one here is white, and these are vinyl permanent. Vinyl permanent is what I got. They do have iron-ons, so go ahead and grab these here at the Dollar Tree. These, I think that's an excellent buy. You can't go wrong, especially if you're a crafter and you have whether it's a Cricut machine, your brother scan and cut, whatever you use to cut your vinyl with, or you use vinyl for something else, go ahead and get these and stack up and get the colors that you want right now, because they're only at my store anyway. And all the stores that I went to in my area, there were 2 for $1. So I got 4, you know. But like I said, the basic colors you can't go wrong, and especially the reds and the greens, those are hard to come by for the holidays. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? It's free. It doesn't cost you a thing. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Only if you like this kind of stuff, of course. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.